Ikundi itiganite cia wendi mwega ni cithiete na mbere na gutuga Kenya aria matehotete maburaini maya ma thigukuu. Kambuni ya DDB igituga mucii wa ciana cia ndigwa wa Neema Mercy Children's Home na thigukuu. Arugamiriri a kambuni ino ni moritie Kenya kurianira thigukuu na aria matari na uhoti. Ihinda-ini riu muingi ukiorio ndukanae kwananga mbeca ni amu thutha wa thigukuu ni kuhingurwo gwa thukuru.
Kuria aria othe mwene kuu micii ukiria ririkana ucio ungi utari ririkana nginya ucio ungi aria aciari aria me mucii brothers yaku na sisters tugeria gushare.
Mundu akiria Christmas aria na budget kamwiria wajeti go spend Christmas ikaitha furi yaku wega menya mbia iria we nacio umenye iria cia Christmas ni iluko cia school fees ni iluko na cia thabari ni iluko niguo January to January ni roka twakotia kona ihinda riritu tia kona stress cia January.
Arugamiriri a mucii uyu ni macoketie ngatho makiuria Kenya guthie na mbere na gutamburukia guoko gwa tha makiria mahinda-ini maya ma thigukuu.
Niko Neema Mercy, nafurahia sana kukuwa na wageni, pia nafurahia kwa vile wametukumbuka.
Kungi nakuo gikundi kia Gravity Amusement Park ni gitugite a Kenya kuria meheretie marihi ma kuingira ceceni-ini ino iri ta njira ya gucokeria muingi ngatho ihinda-ini riri muingi urakaya ni wonjoria gutherera bururi-ini.
We thought that just to take care of that extra we thought that we would go an extra mile to just create a facility where it's like a way of also giving back to the community, because our customers are patronage Gravity's amusement park throughout the year, and for us this idea is also a way of giving back to the community, so that those who seriously they cannot afford to go and buy food from a restaurant, they can actually even make their own food, or even two families can bring their own and come and enjoy and give an opportunity, just like those others who are well endowed and they can afford to.
Aria magunikite na utano uyu ni monanitie gikeno kiao thutha wao kuhuthirio garama ya mbeca makiria maburaini maya.
Vile Christmas imeanza tumefurahia, watu tunasherekea sasa, na unajua sasa economy ijakuwa mzuri, so tunatafuta pali pocket friendly, pali at least will meet your budget.
The other side uko to Gravity Park wako na side ya picnic where you can go on Christmas with your family. Wapeleke, you are not charged for food or drinks. You can bring your own food and drinks, but na watoto pia hawalipishwi, it's free of charge.
Kambuni ya DDB ni yuritie thirikari uthondeka mitaratara mikinyaniru niguo gutigirira Kenya ni magunika na mawira niguo gukinyaniria kioneki kia mwaka wa 2030. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Waithira Wairogo.